G'day guys, welcome back. This is episode 16. I'll be pulling out the rear axle and the suspension, the springs to go with it. Hopefully you liked my last video, the tear down of the front hub assembly and the brakes. I'll try and keep this one a little bit shorter than I did on the last one, and see how we go. It's really windy outside at the moment and the camera's picking up a lot of wind noise. So I'll just do a quick voiceover. First off, we'll take off the flexible brake hose and then remove the rebound straps from the axle. As you can see there, the chassis sprung up, and it's actually sprung off the axle stands at the moment. I have to fix that, and that's just due to the weight of the axle being released. Okay, there, those rubbers are shot. Okay, all we've got to do now is just remove the front and rear shackles, and we're right to go. Both sides, drop the axle out. Now in theory, the axle should just drop down nicely. Hopefully it won't fall over either side, but I think it's all disconnected from the car now. Okay. needed a little bit of persuasion. You can see the rubber bushes. They were replaced because there's no wear on the inside of them, but they're starting to perish. So out they come, in with the new. How you get it out. Hope you enjoyed this episode. It was actually quite an easy process to do. I'd already taken out the tail shaft, and most of the bolts were already free from the previous owner doing that. Good on you, Nev. Appreciate it. So I will most likely do the next video pulling the back brakes off and putting the suspension apart, or that might be the one after. Okay. I know it's a bit of a short one, but I think people like short ones more so than long ones, like the last one was, a little bit long. So we'll get this one nice and short, and we'll see you next time.